Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back. Today we're doing lesson number 7. If you like these lessons and they're helping you out, if you would, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it actually helps us out quite a bit. So if you've been following along in our previous lessons, we started out with a D chord or an E chord, then we went to the A chord, then we did the D chord, we did the C and the G. Then we had a lesson where we did the D, the C, and the G, and went between the chords. And I'm going to assume that you've been following along with these lessons, so I don't have to explain these chords to you. So if you've been following along and you feel comfortable moving between the D, the C, and the G chords, there's a lot of songs you can play with those 3 chords. So I'm going to show you one today that is a great song for somebody that just learned those chords. You can play along with it. It's about a 4-minute song, and they play the same chord progression from the very beginning to the very end. So the song is called Can't You See by the Marshall Tucker Band. The person that's playing the guitar that sings is playing kind of a those are the same chords, but he's picking them in more of a complicated way. But there's another guitar player in the band, the rhythm guitar player, that's basically playing So those are the 3 chords in the song. But as a beginner, when you're just trying to learn to go between the chords and keep in time with the context of the song, to begin with, just try ringing each chord when they strum them the first time during the song. So just go D, C, G, back to the D. D again, C, G, and back to the D. And that's about the pace of the song. It's actually a slower song. It's the same chord progression throughout the song, and I think the song is actually over 4 minutes long. So you can pull it up on YouTube. You can practice along with it from beginning to end with these 3 chords, and it'll make you very smooth going between the chords. So after you've gotten to where you can go through by strumming the chords one time, you've gotten your left hand used to changing through those chords. Try adding something to your strumming hand, your right hand, which is, for me it's the right hand. If you're left-handed, it would be your left hand, but your strumming hand. C, G, D. D again, C, but don't get in a hurry. Make sure you're very fluent just strumming down once, and you can follow along this whole song. Take your time and don't try to advance too quickly. The hardest thing to do is to go between the chords. So practice this 15 minutes to a half an hour a day. And like I said, pull up the song by Marshall Tucker. You can hear the guitar very clearly in that song, and they play the same 3 chords throughout it. So it's a very easy song to follow along with. And like I said, it's practice makes perfect. And it's an enjoyable song. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.